Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically what I found here, let's say starting from the 2-hour time frame on the bottom left corner, we can see that there is a rising channel, and that market actually reacted pretty aggressively to this upper diagonal trend line, and we have quite a big sell-off of that area. On the daily time frame, we can see that this was a 20 exponential moving average, and after 2 days up. So I see potential for the further downside movement, and maybe even in the next period for the price to retest 130.80 level or 130.70 level. So downside movement is in the play in the next period. Speaking of the gold market, we can see that market reacted of this key support area, because the recent swing highs became a support level. So the area around 1990 seems like a very strong support, and today we got a reaction so far on this 2-hour time frame, and market is getting closer to the Friday's low. So there is a chance for potential rotation back, and this is eventually just a pullback, or 2 to 3 days pullback, and that we might see the retest of 2030 level again. So upside continuation might be in the play on the gold market. Of course, if the market will go and start with a bigger sell-off through 1990 level, and then that can basically signal maybe even the downside, the test of this bracket low area 1950. But for now, market is holding very well. And there is a chance for the higher prices, since we're having the upside trend intact. Speaking of the crude oil market, the last week was basically a balanced week. We had 4 days pretty much in balance, and still 82 level and 83 level. They're pretty strong resistance for the crude oil. So there is a chance for the market to continue up, because we held the gap for a couple of days. Market didn't have a power to go deep into this gap area. So there is a chance for the market to actually break 82 level and then hold above. But still we need a confirmation and the market to hold above 82. So that can open then later on the door for maybe even crude oil to go and test 90 level or 93 level. And Bitcoin, I think there is a good potential here for the upside continuation. We really have like this building higher lows getting tight, and there was a very narrow days last week. So, and breakout actually yesterday. So I see the potential for the higher prices and for the continuation, and maybe the price even towards 32,000 and 35,000 in the next period. So upside continuation in the play on the Bitcoin. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.